Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I'm a BSN RN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, and a lot of other good stuff. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the notification button so that way you'll never miss another video from me again. So today's video is going to be about how to get into nursing school with a low GPA. So if you want to know my tips and tricks on how to get into nursing school with a very low GPA, then please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to be talking about how to get into nursing school with a low GPA. As a lot of you know, a lot of colleges and nursing schools have their requirements. You have to meet those requirements in order to get accepted into their programs. So for example, a lot of nursing schools require their patients. A lot of nursing schools require their students to have at least a 3.0 and above. So I got this question a while back and a viewer wanted me to talk about this topic. She wanted to know how can she get into nursing school with a low GPA. I think she said her GPA was a 2.5. So I just wanted to give you a few tips on that. What I would say is that if you have a college that you want to go to or a nursing school that you want to go to, first of all, find out what their GPA requirements are. If the GPA requirement is a 3.0 and you don't have a 3.0, one of the best things you can do is go to a community college or go to any college that is willing to accept you as you are. Make sure the school is accredited and make sure you're able to transfer any classes or any credit from that school to the school you want to go to. So once you figure that out, go ahead and take a class. The smart way to do it is to take a nursing related class. So maybe a nursing prerequisite. So if you haven't done all your prerequisites, maybe you can take a math class, an English class, biology class, chemistry class, microbiology, just any class that is nursing related. Take those classes and make sure you work your butt off to get good grades, nothing but A's or B's. So when you do that, what ends up happening is you get good grades from there and they transfer to your GPA and it makes your GPA look good. So for example, if you were at a 2.5 or something and you went to a different college or a community college and took 2 to 3 classes and got really good grades on those classes, then those grades are going to reflect on your current GPA, bringing your GPA up and enabling you to apply for the program and get into the program. So that's one way you can do it. But let's say you have all your prerequisites and there's no other nursing related classes you can take. I would still say go ahead and take a random class, something that's going to teach you something that's going to benefit you. Go ahead and take a class and make it an easy class where you know that you will be able to get an A in that class. Once you do that, again, it's the same concept. That's going to reflect your overall GPA, therefore enabling you to apply for the nursing program. With that being said, you have to keep in mind too that once you get into the nursing program, that is not all to it. You have to keep a good GPA because let's face it, nursing school is a business, number one. Number two, they want to look good as well. So if you manage to get into the program, you have to also keep in mind that you need to work really hard to keep up with that GPA because most nursing schools will kick you out and then you have to start all over again. Not only that you just mess up the GPA that you worked so hard to get, now you have to start the whole admission and application process over again. So just make sure you're ready to get into nursing school before you try to get into it, if that makes sense. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, hit the like button down below. Also go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also share the video. And if you have any questions or comments for me, go ahead and leave them down below. That lets me know that you guys like these kind of videos and I'll keep them coming. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.